Hey traders, what's going on? Did you just miss out on the ultimate trading toolkit? Well, fret no more. We just launched the Price Action Toolkit, a game changer for technical analysis. This isn't just another indicator. It combines all your favorite ICT and smart money concepts, putting them at your fingertips. Imagine having all that power in one place. In this video, we'll break down everything the toolkit offers. But first, if you want this premium indicator for free, hit the like button and watch the full video. You will get this indicator. Alright, so we talked about the amazing toolkit, but let's see what it can actually do. First up, we've got breaker blocks. Remember those order blocks you love? This indicator tracks them, and when they get broken, it identifies them as breaker blocks. Just like support turning into resistance, these breaker blocks can signal potential market reversals. Pretty cool, right? And guess what? The toolkit shows you the volume within these breaker blocks, so you can gauge their strength and filter out weaker signals. This is similar to how it works with fair value gaps and order blocks. Plus, just like everything else, breaker blocks work on multiple time frames. Buckle up, because we've got all the market structure tools you need: break of structures, change of character, chalk for short, and even change of character plus. These identify trends, potential reversals, and strong confirmations. The indicator will highlight them on your chart, making it easy to see where the market might be headed. We all know reversals are a trader's game changer. That's why the toolkit spots equal highs and lows, which can hint at a potential shift in the market. You can even adjust the settings to find more precise, but less frequent, highs and lows. We're not done yet. This bad boy also tracks buy-side and sell-side liquidity. Stay tuned for the next part where we'll break down how this can supercharge your trading strategy. Alright, let's get to the real game changer: liquidity zones. This indicator does the detective work for you, spotting buy-side and sell-side liquidity right on your charts. Imagine knowing where traders might have placed their stop-loss orders. Buy-side zones show where short sellers might be hiding, and sell-side zones pinpoint potential exits for long traders. This intel can be crucial for anticipating price movements. Ever wonder if you're buying high or selling low? This indicator has you covered. It reveals premium zones where assets might be overpriced and discount zones where you might be getting a steal. Gaps between candlesticks can be like little market mysteries. The toolkit helps you crack the code by identifying volume imbalances. These are gaps that often get filled later, giving you potential entry or exit points. Feeling overwhelmed by all this trading power? Don't worry. This is just a taste of what the Price Action Toolkit can do. Alright, so you're ready to unleash the power of the Price Action Toolkit? Setting it up is easy. Just head over to the Indicator tab and search for Price Action Toolkit. But before you invest, there's a sweet bonus. There's a link to the website in the video description where you can grab a 7-day free trial. Take it for a spin, see how it works for you. Then, if you find it helps you become a trading pro, you can consider a subscription. Alright traders, ready to see this dream team in action? Today, we're combining the Price Action Toolkit with the SFX Algo Indicator by Flux Charts. Imagine having all this intel working together. Before we jump in, let's tweak the settings to focus on our strategy. For the SFX Algo, we'll disable things like the dashboard and volatility bands to keep things clean. We'll also turn off its profit signals. For the Price Action Toolkit, we'll focus on specific features like change of character and change of character plus, keeping things laser focused. Now that our indicators are battle ready, let's see how this strategy unfolds. The first thing we'll look for is a change of character or change of character plus. Remember, these can signal a market shift, which is exactly what we want to capitalize on. Alright, so we've got our indicators set up, and we're looking for those juicy market shifts. Remember, a change of character or chalk plus can signal a trend change, which is our cue. Here, we see a bullish chalk plus, hinting that the market might go from down to up. But hold on. We don't jump in right away. We wait for confirmation from our partner in crime, the SFX Algo Indicator. See that buy signal? That's our green light. Now, with confirmation in hand, we can enter a long trade. Our stop loss goes right at the change of character level, just in case the market changes its mind. And for take profit, we aim for a sweet 1 to 2.5 risk to reward ratio. Look at this trade go. Nailed it. Now, remember, this is just one example. Markets can be unpredictable, and even confirmed signals don't guarantee success. The key is to have a solid risk management plan in place. Here's another long trade following the same principles. Chalk plus, confirmation signal, entry, stop loss, boom. Take profit achieved. Feeling pumped about this strategy? Want to try out these indicators yourself? Head over to the link in my bio and grab your 7-day risk-free trial. Alright traders, sometimes the market throws us curveballs. Here, we see a change of character, but the buy zone from the SFX Algo seems a little close to the sell zone. A 1 to 2 risk to reward might be tough in this scenario. No worries. This is where lower time frames can be our friends. We can switch to a lower time frame chart to see if there's a better entry point. We don't see a clear buy signal on the 5-minute chart yet. Let's try an even lower time frame. Here's a better spot. We have a buy zone closer to the action, potentially offering a more favorable entry. We locate a buyer zone nearby. We'll set our stop loss based on the 3-minute time frame, and establish our target and profit goals using the 15-minute time frame. But wait a minute. Volume is key here. See how the volume is trapped between the buy and sell zones? This can be a tricky spot. If you enter here, you need to be extra cautious. We've identified a sell signal, but the 30-minute time frame shows a higher volume of buyers. Let's shift to a 15-minute time frame for a closer look. Here, we see an equal balance between buyers and sellers, but finding a suitable stop loss is challenging. Moving to a lower time frame, the 5-minute chart shows a similar buyer-seller ratio but lacks a clear stop loss point. The 3-minute time frame confirms the same as 5-minute pattern. Finally, on the 1-minute time frame, we observe more sellers, indicating a potential stop loss level, but this trade is inherently risky. To manage this risk, we'll only risk 2% of our account. Our profit target will be set using the 15-minute time frame, where we've historically seen a 17-fold increase in profit. It's important to approach trading with the same caution and discipline. Let's apply this strategy using our indicator and test it on the 30-minute time frame. In this test, we used a 1 to 2 and 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio on your USD over a 1-month period on a 15-minute time frame. We looked for 50 trade signals, and the results are interesting. We had a 78% win rate, which sounds great. However, remember, we also used a risk ratio that favored winning trades more. There were still losses involved. But before you jump in, there's something awesome. The indicator we use today has a 7-day free trial. It's a great way to experiment and see if it fits your trading style. The link is in the description below, so grab your free trial and start exploring. The key takeaway here is risk management. Even with a good win rate, risking only 2% per trade helps limit potential losses. This is a crucial concept for every trader. While the test showed a 250% gain, it's important to set realistic expectations. The market can be unpredictable. For beginners, focus on mastering the core principles, clear signals, proper risk management, and understanding the markets. These will serve you better in the long run than chasing unrealistic gains. Alright, that's it for today. Feeling intrigued about combining smart money concepts with trend indicators? In the next video, I'll show you my personal strategy that uses this powerful combo. Remember, the goal is to learn and develop your trading skills. Whether you choose to purchase the indicator is entirely up to you. The most important thing is to gain knowledge and confidence as a trader.